Hello friends, I am going to Delhi from your hut and Caukhutia. This is Ramganga river. This river is very beautiful, crossing across the Jim Corbett National Park and the Kumau Valley. Along with the river Ramganga, there is cities like Caukhutia, Masi, Sen, Matronj Khan, and many other beautiful cities. This is a very beautiful river I see. It's very beautiful valley. This Ramganga river is creating a very beautiful valley. Along with this river, a road is going from Chaukhutia to Delhi. It's a very beautiful scenic view of Uttarakhand. I'm really enjoying this view, and I also invite you to please come and